But I'm just gonna make a video called Eating Humans. It's probably like, I am way bigger than you. Oh, you wanna try me? Oh, I'll let you try and eat me. Oh, what? I didn't grow? That's not fair. So, now I did grow. Now I grew. It's fine. It's fine. It's just some minor bugs. Yo. Ugh. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna. Yeah, I'm hungry. No, I didn't eat her. Grab her! I'm just kidding. No, let me eat this guy. Yeah, I gotta avenge myself. Oh my god. This is kind of weird. Yeah, so let's get this little wolfy guy. Little Wolfie. My new name is Little Wolf. He's lagging. I don't feel like eating him. I feel like eating you. Oh, you wanna jump? You wanna jump me? I can jump over you. Literally, I have taste tester. I'm gonna eat her. No. No. I'm coming for you. Oh, wait. I'm gonna... Yo. Do you think you're cool? I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you. Because I hate you. Eat you! There we go. I literally ate like so many players. Let's do this. This guy's like, is he a stick figure? Oh, he's the lying stick. Don't stand your misery. Oh god, I must run! I could do, I would do infinite cover. I would buy. Oh no, you're gonna try and eat me. Don't, no, don't try and eat me. Yeah, you good. Good, you don't wanna get. Oh! I'm gonna try and eat you. Oh! Contest it. You better get away. You better! 'Cause I'm crazy and I'll eat you! Oops. Let's go. Let's go. I got 250 cash, which isn't even much. It's like 1K coins like every second, which is like not good. Oh. Ugh. Boom. Now I'm Sonic. No, please don't eat me. Please don't eat me. Please. She's gonna try. Try and eat me, I dare you. What are you gonna do? Pressing R. I'll eat. No, you're nothing compared to me. I'm hungry for you. I'm sorry, but you're 1 month pregnant. No, let me eat you. Let me eat you. Imagine being her and being like, let's just play a fun game. Oh wait, ooh, I'm better than this guy. What button do I press to eat people? She's sitting there, she's like, he's a bot. Hello? Hello? Oh, you wanna fight me? You wanna fight? Oh, you're fat. Oh, we must run. I only have 25 million. We gotta run. You're big. You're big. But not big enough. He thinks he can bully me. Guess what? You can't! You wanna bully me? Oh crap. Not you. Just can make the kid, you made the wrong mistake. Ha! You. Get eaten! No. Ah! Hi. Fight me. Fight me. Oh. Fight me. Fight me. I love this baby. Boom, I'm size 50K. I am. Okay, that's rude. We must run. Ha! No one can catch me. You want to try me again, Brett? You want to try me again? Don't think so. Don't think so. So, I'm low. What? So, one more. No! Okay, well. One more easy dub. Oh wait, I killed you on accident. So yeah, that concludes the video today, and I hope you liked it. So, see y'all next time. Goodbye, my subscribers.